Hi everybody. Hi everybody. I came from a rock very deep, but I'm back. I'm going to start with explaining what I'm going to do. I prepared the canvas with all the wooden sticks in the corners to give it more tension. I'm going to paint it black, which I will fast forward during the video. You have a very nice, we call it kwast. Some people call it brush, but when it's this size, I call it a grote kwast. And I'm going to use the, just black.
ARTE, that's a German brand.
Yeah, but it's regular black.
That's right.
Acrylic black. And I'm going to paint it. Pom, 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 pom. And when I'm done, I'm going to use my bottle, my flesje, with 3 nozzles, triple nozzle. Ooh, that's exciting.
It is.
I'm going to fill it up with the brand new Prizm Pour Ultra Metallics. And this is so brilliant, beautiful. And I'm going to use the colors Burnished Copper, the Blazing Bronze, the Hot Orchid, and the Egyptian Coin. We've already blended it together with some polypore and some water.
Yes, because it's pretty thick and it's, I think it's great to do bloom pours. Then you can use it straight out of the jar and your cells will hold up really great. But Rob wants to pour in that bottle, of course, so we had to thin it out a little with the polypore and a little bit of water.
Let me show it to you.
Okay.
I hope you can see it.
Yes. Very nice.
This
Beautiful.
is wonderful.
That's the burnished copper, I guess. Great.
So, I'm going to be creative. Okay, I'm going to fill up a special bottle. I hope you can see it. If you want to be the first to know if we have them in the web shop, go to the web shop and subscribe to the newsletter. So we will give a shout out on the newsletter to everybody who subscribed. I think if this will work, it's going to be beautiful. The Prizm Pour is already mixed and ready to use, and in this case the nozzles are very little. Oops. So that's why we thinned it a little with polypore and water. Okay, let's see what we can make. It's almost there, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay. I wonder how this will dry up. It's very, yeah, how do you call it? The way the colors, well, they're not blending, but they're touching each other.
Yeah, very beautiful.
I wonder if people see something in this.
Yeah, I think because it's abstract, I would do a straight line like that or something. But then touch the canvas and
Yeah.
swipe it through.
And I want to start with 3 lines and end up with 1 line.
Okay.
I think I'll start here in the corner with 3 lines and then go way up here to 1 line.
You're scared, eh?
No, I've never been scared.
I can imagine that because whenever I do a pour or something, I get a little bit scared too. That I will mess it up.
I'm not scared.
Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Just look at the colors. Gorgeous. And now here we can see that hot orchid, because I don't think there's a hot orchid in here.
There is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's mingled, mixed
Yeah.
just a little.
Oh, I love that. I love that 3 stripes. Gorgeous. Do you want that one to be there?
No, what is it? Did you put it there? Yeah, I really love the details.
Great abstract.
Abstract.
Love it.
Yeah. I think I'll leave it as is.
Okay.
There's a very big chance, let's say about 100%, that I will put resin over it.
Yeah, it will give a great depth and it will...
Yeah, but also the colors.
Pop out even more. Maybe you should do your close-up, honey, so people can see from up close.
Yeah. I'm already going to say thank you for watching. So here we have the metallic look, the sparkling. It's really brilliant. I wonder how many % of pigments extra are in the Prizm Pour. It's shining from everywhere. Beautiful. I love it. And here we are with the dry result. Turned out beautiful if I see the details on the color. And I wonder if I could hang it on the wall. Would I hang it like this? Or like this? We call this number 2. Like this as number 3. Or this as number 4. So what do you think? Please let me know. And I wonder what I'm seeing. Do you recognize anything? Let me know, please. And don't forget to subscribe, and of course the thumb up if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, explain to me below what you didn't like. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.